Ciao, my name is Mario Becchi and these are the tips for everyday psychology in sport, learning and life. Today we have a very special episode because we are going to speak about something that is called relaxation techniques, and I will tell you about one specific relaxation techniques that can save you a lot of good results. So stay with me and let's go! Many times in our lives, or maybe even on everyday basis, we are facing challenging situations that may appear to us as very stressful. Many times we would like to avoid them because they are causing a lot of trouble to our body and to our mind, but sometimes it's not possible because there are situations we need to face and we need to overcome. Even if stress reactions were developed in our bodies in the past to protect us, we are not facing today so many life-threatening situations from which we need to run. When we are facing a stressful moment, our heart rate rises and we start to breathe more intensively. However, we can reverse this process by gaining control over our body and return to the relaxed status. So next time, before playing important match, taking important test or attending job interview, try do following. You can do this either in chair, couch or in the car seat. Apply a low pressure by creating tension in your hands for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Release the pressure in your hands for another 2 seconds. 1, 2. Do it again. Apply pressure and create tension in your hands for another 2 seconds. 1, 2. Release the pressure for another 2 seconds. 1, 2. After one set, increase the intensity or the time. For example, apply the pressure and create the tension in your hands for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release the pressure from your hands for exactly the same time. This time for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 time. Increase the time when you apply and releases the pressure by, for example, 3, 5, 7 seconds. Make 3 sets and then apply pressure and create the tension in your legs exactly in the same way. What this will create is a reversed process of stressful reaction that should prepare you either for run or fight. But after this relaxation exercise, your body will feel much more balanced. Before you will use this exercise in a real challenging situation, try it at home and make yourself comfortable by knowing the procedures, which are very simple. And let me know about your experience in comments down below. You can learn much more about similar relaxation techniques by reading posts on our official website or by following our social pages, for example on Facebook or Instagram. I believe that you like this video, so hit the like button and subscribe to this channel where you will find much more similar content about psychology and human behavior. And feel free to write us your suggestion about what you would like to learn more from psychology. See you in the next video. Ciao!